In a cricket match, Aman scored 1/5 of the total runs. Total runs, if it were X, then Aman scored 1/5 of X. Manoj scored 2/7 of the total runs. This is Manoj. 2/7 X. Whereas Ramesh scored half of what Manoj scored. Manoj scored 2/7 X. Ramesh scored half of this. Or Ramesh scored 1/7 X. The rest of the players scored 26 runs. The rest scored 26. What are the total runs scored by the team? Wonderful question. So 1/5x plus 2/7x plus 1/7x plus 26. The total runs scored. This is equal to x. Find x. 2/7 plus 1/7 is 3/7. So let's write this equation. X by 5 plus 3/7x plus 26 equals x, or 26 equals x minus 1/5x minus 3/7x. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. So this is 7/35x. 7 5s are 35, 3 5s are 15. Or this is x minus 22/35x equals 26. 22/35 is removed from x, or this is 13/35x. I'm writing this as 35x by 35. 13x by 35 equals 26. This is 2. Or x is 2 into 35, which is 70. Total number of runs scored by the team is 70 runs.